Pacquiao pacing up and down dito po sa loob ng ring.
Nakikita natin si Gabriel Mira at he's got some chewing gum inside his mouth.
Ano ko si Mr. Ted Leonard to acknowledge some of the personalities on hand para po dito sa World Championship na ito. Dito sa Araneta Coliseum between Manny Pacquiao of the Philippines, the champion, at ang challenger, Gabriel Mira of Mexico.
Uniprom Incorporated, in cooperation with Casino Filipino, San Miguel Beer, Motorlight, Pizza Hut, and Petron presents Demolition at the Dome. 12 rounds of boxing for the WBC Flyweight Championship of the World. Tonight's bout is being sanctioned by the World Boxing Council President Jose Sulaiman, supervisor in charge at ringside, Major Lee Wan Bak. Keeping time this evening, Juanito C. de Guzman. Keeping track of the knockdowns, Tony M. Comia. Physicians at ringside, Dr. Nazar Cruz and Dr. Reynaldo Alampay. Judges scoring the bout, Tony Perez from the United States, Jae Bong Kim from Korea, and Dalby Shirley from the United States. And when the action begins, the third man in the ring tonight, working his 151st title fight from Las Vegas, ladies and gentlemen, Richard Steele. All right, one more thing before we get to the official introductions. The rules for the WBC are as follows. This fight is being scored on a 10-point must system. There is no standing 8 count. The 3 knockdown rule is in effect, and a fighter cannot be saved by the bell in any round, and both fighters are wearing 8-ounce gloves. And now, here for the formal introductions for tonight's WBC Flyweight Championship of the World, I'd like to turn it over to my fellow ring announcer, Bobby Mandehar.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing on my left, fighting out of the blue corner, the challenger. He was born in the town of Metepec, Mexico. He has a record of 19 wins, 7 losses, 1 draw, and 15 coming by way of knockout. The #1 flyweight contender, WBC, from Mexico, ladies and gentlemen, Gabriel El Toro Mira. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. Ladies and gentlemen, he weighed in at 111 3/4 pounds. From General Santos City, Philippines. He's 22 years old. He has a record of 25 wins, 1 loss, and 16 coming by way of knockout. From Korea stable, ladies and gentlemen, the WBC Flyweight Champion, Manny Pacquiao.
Kailan sandali po lamang yung mga paalala na ibibigay naman itong ating batikang referee Richard Steele. As you see, Mayor Jinggoy Estrada with his bosom buddy, of course, superstar Rudy Fernandez. Nadinig po ninyo ang pagpapakilala sa dalawa nating protagonists. At sabi nga na Kinito, yung electricity po dito sa Araneta Coliseum ay talagang nakayayanig at nakakahawa, Kinito, sapagkat ito po ang unang pagtatanggol ng ating world champion na si Manny Pacquiao ng kanyang corona bilang kampiyon ng World Boxing Council Flyweight Division na nakuha lamang niya noong nakaraang Disyembre 1998.
Air of electricity is right, partner. At ito, sabik na tayong makapanood ang world title fight dito na naman sa Big Dome. It's been a long time. 1991 was the last time that a Filipino fought with a world title at stake dito po sa Araneta Coliseum.
Manny Pacquiao, the champion from the Philippines in black. Dito naman si Gabriel Mira ng Metepec, Mexico. ay nakapula. Kaliwete po yung ating batang si Manny Pacquiao. Overhead right there by Gabriel Mira.
Makita mo ito si Mira, the way he moves towards Manny Pacquiao's right. At alam niya, malakas ang kaliwa ni Manny Pacquiao. Mukha talagang pinag-aralan ni Mira ang estilo ni Manny. He's circling over to Manny Pacquiao's right because the dominant hand of Manny Pacquiao is the left.
Kasama rin po natin si Mr. Popoy Huico ng Uniprom. At Popoy, yung sa dami ng ating tao rito ay talaga namang successful itong pagdaraos. Mamaya natin mapapakinggan si Mr. Huico at naayos lang natin yung kanyang mikropono. At ito po sa gitna ng ring at medyo parang gigigit itong si Manny Pacquiao.
Partner, ito si Manny Pacquiao.
Oo.
Parang pinakita ni Gabriel Mira that he's going to stand up and fight this fight. And it's going to be the better man who's going to win and who's going to end up standing.
Ooh, good left by Manny Pacquiao to the face of Gabriel Mira.
At meron tayong nakita ng left uppercut na pumasok nito.
Ito nga hawak na ito si Gabriel Mira.
Bigat yun. Pero ito si Mira, partner, he's not backing off.
Oo.
Sakta, agresibo rito.
Well, alam natin, siya ang challenger, so kailangan niyang maging mas agresibo. Pero Manny Pacquiao, alam naman natin ang style dito si Manny Quinito. He's not gonna back down from a fight. At ito, ang isa lang objective din si Manny Pacquiao, patulugin yung kanyang kalaban.
Well, totoo yan, partner. Pero ito si Manny Pacquiao, dapat siguro magpakita din siyang konting pasyensya, no?
Oo,
Maybe use a little bit of the jab, Popoy.
Little more time, feel his way around and throw his jab somewhere as you said, Benito.
Well, take a look at the style of Gabriel Mira. The way he's moving around, he's fighting from a distance. Palagay ko talagang ilag ito si Gabriel Mira sa mga tirada ni Manny Pacquiao. He's fighting from a distance, but he's connecting.
Yes, a good right by Gabriel Mira. Nasa first round na po tayo ng labang ito para sa kampyonato ng mundo sa sa flyweight division ng WBC. Tangan-tangan po ng ating kababayan ang ring sensation ng Pilipinas, Manny Pacquiao in black, stalking Gabriel Mira.
And the way Mira moved away, kita mo, ginagamit niya yung ring. He wants to fight this from a distance.
But good right by jab by Manny Pacquiao. At makikita mo, may lutong yung yung jab pa lamang ni Manny Pacquiao, malutong na eh. There's another one to end the round. A couple of right jabs by Manny Pacquiao. And of round number 1 scheduled for 12, the WBC Championship here at the Big Dome. We'll be back with more right after this.
Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, after this fight,
Mga kaibigan, ginaganap po itong kampyonato between Manny Pacquiao, the champion, and the challenger Gabriel Mira of Mexico. That's a good left by Manny Pacquiao na napaatras si Gabriel Mira. Yan po si Manny Pacquiao ng Pilipinas.
Mamukha yata magaling mag-backtrack ito si Gabriel Mira, Popoy.
At saka, Juan, I think both fighters are just really taking their time now. Medyo hindi pa masyado mabilis ang kilos. Pero as you said, mukhang si Mira is little unmoved by those punches as of now.
Kanina nakita natin si
Onyok Velasco.
Onyok Velasco,
Oo.
nandito po kasama ang kanyang anak.
Mga kaibigan, we'd like to remind you about Casino Filipino, katulong ng sambayanang Pilipino. Round number 2 ng kampyonato para sa WBC crown sa flyweight division. Defending champion Manny Pacquiao of the Philippines. Number 1 challenger Gabriel Mira in red. Medyo matangkad po ng mga 4 na pulgada siguro itong si Manny Pacquiao kay Gabriel Mira.
O partner, ito si Manny Pacquiao, parang iniintay niyang pumasok ito si Gabriel Mira. He's
good left.
time. Hindi papasok ito si Mira. He's got to move in.
Pero nakita mo yung mga sitot ni Manny Pacquiao, puro
May diin.
mga malalakas no?
Pero partner, without dapat ito si Manny
Yes.
Pacquiao, tinatamaan siya pagpasok niya.
Oo.
And it looks like he's a little hurt here. He got hurt. At si Manny Pacquiao ngayon is moving away and he has to clinch. He's a little careless sa kanyang depensa, partner.
Yan ang nagiging problema kay Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang pagigigil na makasakit at makapanalo. Kung minsan naiwanan niyang bukas yung kanyang depensa.
Ito, you know this is Manny Pacquiao. He's now moving
Oh,
away.
yes.
And it's Gabriel Mira
Chasing him.
pressing the attack.
Alalahanin po rin yung knockout artist din po ito si Gabriel Mira at uhaw na uhaw ito para sa kampyonato. And some right jabs to stave off Gabriel Mira. Now some lefts from Manny Pacquiao.
Eh, pinapakita din ni Manny Pacquiao. Doon
Oy, ulo.
footwork.
Ang ulo, medyo labanan ng ulo si Manny. May pabilis rin ang kamay nitong si...
Ooh, good left by Mira.
Manny Pacquiao got shaken up that time. Again,
Oh.
he goes moving around.
Hinahabol siya ni Gabriel Mira and he connects. Gabriel Mira connects. Mira circling around.
Ang baba ng dalawang kamay ni Manny
Manny
Pacquiao.
Pacquiao,
partner.
oo. Ito, mapasok yung mga suntok na yan ni Gabriel Mira. Again, he comes up with a flurry of punches against Manny Pacquiao. Gabriel Mira, the aggressor, dito sa round number 2.
Well, Mira sees the initiative. Nauunahan si Manny sa kapitaw ng suntok.
Kanya ang nangyayari, depensa si Manny Pacquiao. But he tries to come up with his own punches. Some right jabs para mahinto ito si Gabriel Mira.
Well, nagulat yata si Manny Pacquiao sa itong atake ni Gabriel Mira.
Dito sa round number 2, no?
He was caught with his pants down, ikaga, no? At ang pinakita naman ni Manny Pacquiao yung kanyang ability to move away from an opponent who's charging in. Gumamit siya ng magandang foot speed.
Yes, inigot-igutan niya ito si Gabriel Mira. Pero po man, he got tagged several times here in round number 2. Oh, good combination there by Manny Pacquiao on the left. Oh, he's down! Gabriel Mira is down with a couple of left by Manny Pacquiao in round number 2. He is dazed. And he's slow to get up. Pero wise na ito si Mira, hindi siya kagad tumayo. Yung referee Richard Steele. Yes, and he goes out again. At sabi ni Richard Steele, tumunog na raw ang bell. Pero tinamaan yun. Dahil sa ganung klase sa ingay rito, hindi mo naman talaga kagad maririnig yung bell. So bumagsak po ang challenger galing sa Mexico. Gabriel Mira went down in round number 2. And look at the jubilation of the Filipino crowd here at the Araneta Coliseum. Pero tuloy pa po ang laban. We'll be back with the third round right after these. Okay, mga kaibigan, balik po rito sa Araneta Coliseum. At kakagulo pa po rito sa loob ng Big Dome. Panoorin po natin ang nangyari sa pagtatapos ng round number 2. Near the Anu. Another one coming, yes, that left by Manny Pacquiao floors Gabriel Mira of Mexico.
O partner, pagkatapos ito, bumagsak na naman si Mira at the sound of the bell. Dapat yung binilagan ng mandatory 8 count because the punch came at the sound of the bell.
Yes.
Did not come after the bell.
Yes, exacto.
Pero
Ito, sugod si Manny Pacquiao. Sumusugod at the start of round number 3. Gabriel Mira trying to stem the tide here. Oh, good left again by Manny Pacquiao. Another one.
partner, ito si Manny Pacquiao. Gusto niya nang
Tapusin na. Oo. Kaya ito na mga taktika.
Sinabi ko kanina, ito si Mira, isa sa kagalingan nito, magaling mag-flip ito.
Oh!
Ginawa na naman.
Oh, isangin yun. Magkakatarapan natin si Gabriel Mira.
And Manny Pacquiao.
Binabayo na siya ni Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao clearing away. Gabriel Mira trying to fight back. Oh, look at those left being delivered by Manny Pacquiao. But Mira trying to fight right. Another right to the face by Manny Pacquiao.
Hinahawakan na si Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, perfect.
Bumagsak na. At sabi ni Richard Steele,
That's
hindi
it
na
now.
knockdown yun. Dalawang beses
Pero-
bumagsak dito.
Kanina pa hilong-hilo yan. Si Gabriel Boy nakahawak.
Hinahawakan
Hinahawakan
si
na.
Manny Pacquiao.
Oo.
At hindi binibigyan ng warning ni referee Richard
Hoy,
Steele.
nakatama si Mira doon. Sugod si Manny Pacquiao. Oh, ano ito? Ano yan? Richard still asking him to get up.
Oh, this is
He's hanging on for dear life.
Partner, I think referee Richard Steele has lost control of this fight.
Mga kaibigan.
Nagpapahinga ito si Gabriel
Oo.
by going down on the floor and he's calling a slip. It's an intentional slip.
He's holding to him. He's taking it. Oh, bagsak niya.
That has to be knocked out. Come on!
Oh, nadulas. Oh, another hard right by Manny Pacquiao. Mira tries to fight back. Manny Pacquiao scoring a goal at the robbery legs title si Gabriel Mira. Manny Pacquiao still bouncing on Gabriel Mira. Mira vainly trying to fight back. Look at this.
Dami ng suntok na tinanggap ni Mira.
Oh.
Game pa rin.
Ano ito?
Bibilangan
Let's
niya
take a
dapat.
Sa ganyan, binilangan.
Ayun.
Ano ba naman klase?
Ayun, binilangan na. Wala na. Mukhang pagod na si Gabriel Mira. Malambot na ang tuhod.
Oo.
Partner, kung binilangan yung ibang mga slips on a knockdown,
Three
this fight is
knockdown
over
siya.
because it's a 3 knockdown rule.
Oo.
I cannot believe.
Oh, another right.
fighting.
By Manny Pacquiao. This is only the third round, mga kaibigan. Ang ating World Championship for the flyweight crown being defended by Manny Pacquiao. and he is stalking his prey. Gabriel Mira has been in trouble several times in this round. He also went down in round number 2. Ito, hinahabol at ito, he's resorted to every trick in the book to try and stop the attack of Manny Pacquiao. And the bell sounds to end action for round number 3 of this World Championship fight. We'll pause for some reminders. Sa Araneta Coliseum, you look at Gabriel Mira huffing and puffing there. At dito po makikita ninyo kung ilan yung mga tamang inabot ito sa Gabriel Mira ng mga solid na suntok ni Manny Pacquiao kinito.
Partner, ilang beses bumagsak ito si Gabriel Mira.
Pero isa lang ang
Deliberately
binilangan, no?
went down to save himself from getting knocked down.
Ayun,
At hindi ko maintindihan, partner.
May suntok
kung
doon
bakit ito si Richard Steele did not call knockdowns. He should have called at least 3. Dapat ito tapos na.
Well, you gotta give credit also to Mira for his fighting heart. No?
Ah, yes.
Paano lumalaban.
Well, partner, one thing we have to be careful, or what we have to watch here, is yung resistance ni Manny Pacquiao.
Yes.
Parang ang dami na niyang suntok na binuhos dun sa previous round at hindi pa niya
kaya
nakatulog
ubos.
itong si Gabriel Mira. Ano kaya? Baka maubusan ito si Manny Pacquiao. Ito po, patayan natin.
Mga kaibigan, the next of San Miguel Beer, ang sarap ng samahan. Motolite, ang bateryang pang matagalan. Tingnan natin kung pang matagalan ito si Gabriel Mira. At ito rin si Manny Pacquiao, sapagkat sabi nga ni Kinito, daming energy na naubos itong si Manny Pacquiao para patulugin itong si Gabriel Mira. So nasabi nga natin, he has resorted to every trick in the book to try and stop the onslaught of this boy from General Santos City, South Cotabato in black, the champion, Manny Pacquiao.
Ito, tumigil yung atake ni Manny Pacquiao. I think he's trying to rebuild his energy, partner. No?
Oo.
At ito naman si Gabriel Mira, he's resorted to the same tactics he used in round number 1, circling away towards the right of Manny Pacquiao.
Alalahanin po natin mga kaibigan na yung prediction ni Gabriel Mira. Tatapusin daw niya si Manny Pacquiao na round number 2. Siya ang bumagsak sa round number 2. Binilangan din ito sa round number 3. At pinipilit niyang makayakap kay Manny Pacquiao kapag pinauulan na siya ng suntok. Here comes Manny Pacquiao again. Forward on the left. Another left. Manny Pacquiao stalking his... Oh! Good left again to the chin. Right back on the jaw. Oh, Gabriel Mira. And he slowly walks back to his corner. Binibilangan ni referee Richard Steele. Si Gabriel Mira. This is round number 4. Oh! He's down again! Nakaliwala naman! Ang binigay, tumitingin na siya sa kanyang corner. Ano ba ito? Pwede ko bang ituloy? Sabi siguro ni Gabriel Mira. He gets up at the count of 9.
Partner, kung isa pa knockdown dito, tapos
Wala
na
na ito,
itong
tapos
laban.
na ito.
The 3 knockdowns
Oh!
only in effect.
Ginawa na kanan.
And Manny Pacquiao is going for it dito sa round na ito.
Ilayakap na naman si Gabriel Mira.
Isa na lang.
Ayan, yakap na yakap si Gabriel Mira kahit hindi siya masuntok. Manny Pacquiao, he can sense.
Sinusukat na.
Oo.
Ang hinahanap
Okay,
si
pero-
Manny Pacquiao, isang knockdown na lang. Umiiwas-iwas daw ito si Gabriel Mira.
Try to fight back.
Ano, naghahanap na lang ng opening ito si Manny Pacquiao.
Oo. Sinichepo-chepo ka na rin si Gabriel Mira. And Mira is tying him up. Right to the face of Gabriel Mira. Another left. Oh, that's it! That's it!
Tapos na laban.
Manny Pacquiao retains the WBC Flyweight Championship of the world via a 4th round knockdown. Tatlong knockdown po ni Gabriel Mira. Manny Pacquiao overpowering the Mexican challenger.
Well, partner ito si Gabriel Mira. Showed me fighting hard. Yan
Yes,
ang dapat sabihin natin.
Oo, talaga.
Dumating siya rito para lumaban at nagbigay siyang napakagandang laban. Yung nga lang, talagang napakalakas itong champion natin, si Manny Pacquiao, scoring a total of 5 knockdowns.
Kay Manny kanina, yung tungkol niya, mabagal ang dating pa, hindi mabilis, parang
Oo.
telegraph. hirap.
Yes.
Especially nung first 2 rounds, no?
Oo, totoo yan.
Actually, medyo na delikado pa nga ito si Manny Pacquiao nung second round.
Umpisa ng second round, oo.
At ang pinakita ni Manny Pacquiao dun sa second round, partner, nung tinamaan siya ni Gabriel Mira at nung nasaktan siya, yung kanyang maturity. Because he moved
Hindi
around the
nagigil.
ring, hindi siya nakipagsabayan,
Oo.
and he decided to move around just as Gabriel Mira did in round number 1.
Yan ang tamang ginawa ni Manny Pacquiao dahil kung nakipagsabayan siya ron, malamang ay masasaktan siya sapagkat